Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest tech to give you the inside scoop. Today, we've got something special for you, the Corsair Platform 6 standing desk.
Now, this isn't just any old desk. It's a premium piece of furniture designed for the discerning gamer or productivity enthusiast.
But does it live up to the hype?
Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the design and construction of the platform. Solid is the word that comes to mind here.
From its 1-inch thick rubberwood tabletop to its sturdy steel frame, this desk exudes quality.
And let's not forget about the spacious 6-foot wide workspace, perfect for accommodating all your gaming gear or office essentials.
Assembling the Platform 6 was a breeze, thanks to the detailed instructions provided by Corsair.
Sure, it may take a couple of hours and some muscle power to put together, but trust me, the result is worth it. Plus, Corsair includes all the tools and bits you need right in the box. Now, let's talk about the features that set Platform 6 apart from the competition.
With its dual electric motors, adjusting the desk height is a breeze. And thanks to the programmable height presets, you can easily switch between sitting and standing positions with just the touch of a button.
Plus, with the included dual monitor arms and ample cable management options, keeping your setup neat has never been easier. Speaking of cable management, Corsair has thought of everything here. From the large basket in the center rear of the desk to the removable plastic panel with built-in USB ports, keeping your cables organized has never been easier. So, what's the verdict on the Corsair Platform standing desk? Well, it's a premium product with a price tag to match.
But if you're in the market for a top-of-the-line standing desk that's built to last, then look no further. With its solid construction, plethora of features, and sleek design, the Platform 6 is sure to impress even the most discerning buyers. Just make sure you've got plenty of space in your home office because this desk is a beast.
That's it for today's review, folks. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews.
Until next time, happy gaming and stay productive.